Hey friends, I'm Chef Inena and today I'm sharing this very simple and delicious green bananas masala or Matoke masala that's easy to make and you and your family will definitely enjoy. So for this recipe I have a bunch with 5 bananas that I'm going to use. So cut this lemon in half. Get this bowl with some water and squeeze the juice. This will prevent the bananas from oxidizing. Set this aside and start peeling the bananas. Cut the tips off. Run the knife across. You can also peel this one off by your hand. Sometimes they come out. That's traditionally how it's done back home in Kenya. You just do like this. Then you can use the knife to get this off. You can do whichever way works for you. Cut this just in half. I'll continue peeling the rest of the bananas. Peeling the last one. Add the peeled bananas, cover with water, bring to a boil and cook until they're just almost cooked, about 80%. A good time to start the masala sauce, just peel and dice 1 onion. We'll test these bananas with a knife, see where they are. They are almost there. Time to remove them from the water. Save this cooking liquid, we will need it. Into the same pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Diced onions, season salt and pepper. Sweat this until they start to get color. The onions have nicely browned here. After about 6 minutes or so, they are getting the colors on the edges. Add about a tablespoon of garlic that I just chopped. Minced ginger, about a tablespoon. Give this a stir. Add the spices, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, paprika. Toast all these spices. At this point, you can add more oil if you feel like it's needed. But this looks good to me. This is so aromatic. Into the pan, add 2 bay leaves, diced tomatoes. All the ingredients will be in the description box. Let the tomatoes cook covered until they soften. Now this masala is coming together very nicely. Add a touch of the same water that we used to cook the bananas. Scrape this pan. Cover this and cook for a further 5 minutes. This gravy is coming together very nicely. It's all nicely thickened. add chopped cilantro. Season this slightly with salt and pepper and just a touch of the water. Just so carefully return the bananas or the matoke and then stir them into the sauce. There are so many varieties of matoke bananas available in the market. Just be sure to pick the right ones. Indian stores here in US, they have very good cooking bananas. Check for the seasoning. Tastes good to me. I will cover this pan, cook until the matokes are cooked through and ready to serve. These matokes look so good. Check them with a knife. Awesome. This is all good. Time to take them off the heat. Just a touch more cilantro or parsley. This matoke dish is perfect as is. Serve on a platter just like this, or serve individually over a bowl of rice or chapati, and you and your family will definitely enjoy this, or just yourself. Just pile them on. Some of this beautiful gravy on the side. That's my beautiful version of matoke. Just can't wait to try this matoke. So friends, there you have it, a very easy matoke recipe or green bananas that you can do on any day of the week, and you got yourself a delicious dish that you or your family will definitely enjoy. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Just please remember, comment, subscribe to my channel, give me a like on this one. See you soon.